Hey Rex, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. Looking through your website, these call to actions are really good for your conversions. So that's awesome that you have those spread throughout. One thing that I would recommend is adding some content to your homepage. The reason is because Google has crawlers that are crawling the internet 24/7. And so they're looking through all the websites, what content is on there, what these photos are saved as, seeing if you have any keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words on your home page to be considered an authority. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And let's take a look at an example of a keyword. Dallas Foundation Repair. And so when people search this keyword here, the first thing that is popping up are some ads. If we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section, and 30 to 40% of business go into this section here, and you want to be ranking in the top 3 because they get the majority of that, or at least a lot of that 30 to 40%. And the way that you outrank these other businesses is you have a Google business profile that has more citations, which is your business name, phone number, and address, and other places like Yelp. And then you want a good amount of reviews and geotagged photos. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into this organic section here. And this is where your website would be ranking. And so it is important to be on this first page here because 90% of people stay on the first page. And a lot of the traffic goes into the top 3 listings here. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword here. So Premier Foundation Repair. It would be really easy to beat them out with the content. But let's take a look at the back end of each one. I have Premier plugged into Ahrefs here. We're going to look at some ratings that are pulled from Google. The Google data. And so UR and DR, this is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website. And so they have 35 and 7. And what's making up these ratings here are their 3.22 thousand backlinks coming from 188 referring domains. And so what a backlink is it is one website linking to another one. So it's kind of like a shout out. And it is important to be intentional whenever you are picking backlinks because there are high quality backlinks that will boost these numbers and there are spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. And so Premier, they also have 290 keywords on their website. And so let's take a look at your website. I have your website plugged into Ahrefs as well. And you guys have great ratings here, 40 and 41, coming from your 1.15 thousand backlinks from your 465 referring domains. And you will have 308 keywords on your website. And so you guys have great ratings here, and so it would be important to make sure that it is working in your favor. So there is something that's going on that's not allowing you to rank. And so that could be the quality of the links. It could be the load speed of your site, the on-site SEO, citations. There's a number of things that could be causing you not to be ranking higher than you are, just because you are already outbeating them here. And so let's take a look at some keywords here. And so they have these keywords on their website and they are ranking for them, so they're getting some traffic here. Foundation Repair Dallas, 1,000 people are searching for that every single month. Dallas Foundation Repair, 150, 100. And so this list just keeps going of buyer intent keywords. And so in order for you to get some more traffic to your site, you'd want to see what is causing your site not to be ranking. You do want to make sure that those good high quality backlinks are working in your favor. And you want to have your Google business profile ranking as well, so add some citations there. And I hope that this video was valuable for you, and I would love to know your feedback on it. So if you'll give me a call with your feedback, and I will let you know the joke of the day. Thanks for watching.